Hi guys, this is David. I'm just finishing my web developer certificate, and I want to show you my application, which I've been working all the semester on. Well, as you can see on the screen, that was like kind of like the project. My wife and a friend were mentioning how great will be an application called "Is He the One?" Where you could rate. Um, um, from some questions from 0 to 5 stars, and find out if like that man was the one of your life. Anyway, we can add more complexity to it and add cookie sessions like login, logout, and the manipulation and scripts, all that kind of stuff. So I'm using WAMP and Dreamweaver and all these technologies you see listed here. Anyway, I'm gonna show you now the application. So this is the application, and this is like the login page. You go to sign up. You can. It's taking a while. Oops, kind of slow. Anyway, there we go. Oh, you can see this is moving. It's for like the CSS animation exercise from past week. You can, when you hover over, it moves. When you click, it stops. Well, better leave it stop. Anyway, you can fill up here the user, and there's some validation. I see it recognizes that it's okay if I leave it empty and I go to the next one. There's some hints. All this is done by JavaScript. So it's JavaScript validation. So I have to fill it up and then submit it. Anyway, I'm going to show you. I can clear to, since I have some users already created. I'm going to show you how to log in. Okay, so once you log in, I'm gonna stop this. It's kind of annoying. So this is the member area. I did also this for the CSS assignment. Well, it's kind of pointless, but anyway, it's kind of shows how it works. CSS 3. So, well, you can there's like a little navigation here. It's all done by like the header, footer. It's all done by PHP includes. So the navigation is includes itself. So anyway, you can enter contender here. And I haven't put the validation here yet, but you can enter a contender. Let's try to fill up this. I haven't put the validation here yet, but I'm working on it. Let's say like a brief description of the guy. Phone number, and then you put the email. And you submit it. So remember, this guy is Derek from Castle Rock. You submit it here. Now if you go, well, oops, I just find a typo here. Well, so it redirects to the quiz, so you can start doing the quiz. Here are the questions, which I haven't done yet. Anyway, so this is dynamically populated. Now this guy is showing up here. We select it, and then we fill out the test, like let's say 3, 2, 2, 1, and we submit it. And now it's telling me like that's the result, 8 points, and then we can go to the contenders overview and see how this dynamically populated table showing up the guy we just entered. All this is connected to MySQL database, which I will show you later. So then I have some stuff is not working well here. I have some conflicts with the scripts. I have to work on them. Well, this should highlight, and when you click on them, shows you what is like, you know, what translates like the punctuation. So like obviously this one is very bad, and when you click on the top one, it says here's the one, and then, you know, there are middle ranges. So it goes like from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. Also, I have this is conflicting. You could show and hide a table, but yeah, some of the scripts are conflicting there. So that's about it. I can show you a little bit like the code. Oops. Let's see. These are the folders. You can see there's quite a few. Those are the includes I was mentioning. You know, header, navigation, blah blah. Yeah, I'll show you just a page as a sample. Oops. Let's see if this opens up. There we go. So this is like the create a user account. So you can see there is like the includes, and there is like the variables, and some security here. We connect to the database. We use regular expressions to see if it's a good if it works. Then we put it in the database, and say you can see all the code here. This is the form. Now, well, then I will show you also. Well, there's like tons of files, as you can see. I'm gonna show you also the database. So this is like my database. Like those are the users. This one, it was the one I was using, Linda. Then these are the list of the contenders, and you can see how every user has a user number, and it's got its own contenders. And then in this table of the answers is not very, you know, interesting, but it was kind of to proving the point on Ajax. So this data, it's dynamically it's pulled from the database through Ajax in the contenders overview page, which is whoops, yeah, this one. Oops, it's going a bit slow. Anyway, well, this is my project. I'm excited to see yours, guys. Thank you, and see you in the class.